Hello, my name is Singh Yatendra and we are going to examine the sensory system and reflexes. To evaluate the sensory system, you will have several tests of sensation: pain and temperature, position and vibration, light touch, and discriminative sensation. Pain. Use a sharp safety pin. Substitute the blunt end of for point. Ask patient, is it sharp or dull? Apply the light pressure needed to feel sharpy.
Sharp, sharp, done, sharp,
Temperature. Testing skin temperature omitted if pain sensation is normal. Use a tuning fork heated or cooled by water. Touch the skin. Ask the patient to identify hot or cold.
hot, cold, cold,
Now vibration. Use a relative low pitched tuning fork. Tap it on heel of your hand and place it over distal interphalangeal joint. Ask joint patient's finger then over the interphalangeal joint of big toe.
yes, yes, yes,
Now proprioception. Grasp the patient's big toe, holding it by its side between your thumb and index finger. Then pull it away. This prevalent tactile stimuli affective test. Now you move to up and down
up, down,
and tell him about it. Now ask patient to close both eyes and ask patient to say up and down when moving the toy.
close up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down,
Now discriminating sensation. Screen a patient with sternognosis and proceed to other methods to and indicate the patient's eyes should be closed during all tests.
close
Sternognosis. This refers to ability to identify an object by feeling it. We can use coin, paperclip, key, pen, etc. Normally within 5 seconds he will give correct answer.
coin, key, pen,
Now graphesthesia. If arthritis or other condition prevent the patient from manipulating an object, now test for identifying the numbers with the blunt end of pen or pencil. Draw a large number in patient's palm.
एक, दो, तीन, एक,
Now 2-point discrimination using the two ends of an open paper clip or two pins. Touch a finger pad at same time. Find the minimum distance at which patient can discriminate one from 2 points.
two, one, two, one.
Now muscle stress reflex. It requires special handling of hammer. The hammer should be properly weighted. Encourage the patient to be relaxed with your wrist related stand. Then position the limb properly. With your wrist related, strike the tendon using a rapid movement. Grade the reflex according to scale. 4 hyperactive, 3 brisker than average, 2 average normal, and 1 low normal, and if is 0, reflex absent. Now, first one, biceps reflex. The patient elbow should be partially flexed and the forearm pronated and palm down. Place your thumb on biceps tendon and now strike the hammer towards your digit in biceps tendon. Observe the flexion of your elbow. कर. Now triceps reflex. The patient at sitting position flex the patient's arm at elbow with palm towards the body and pull it across the chest. Strike the tricep tendon with a direct blow just above the elbow. Watch for contraction of triceps muscles. Now brachioradialis reflex. The patient's hands should at rest on the lap, forearm pronated, and hammer about 1 to 2 inch above the wrist. Watch the flexion and supination of forearm. करना. Now patellar reflex. The patient should be sitting and knee flexed. Briskly tap the patellar tendon just below the patella. Observe the knee extension. Now Achilles reflex. If the patient sitting partially, dorsiflex the foot at the ankle. Patient should be relaxed. Now strike Achilles tendon and watch plantar flexion at the angle. Now plantar response. With a key, stroke the lateral aspect of the sole from heel to the ball of the foot, curving medially. Across the ball, observe plantar flexion. Dorsiflex of a big toe is positive Babinski response.